Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up the fingerprint lock on your Red Magic Astra tablet. To do that, we're gonna have to open Settings, then scroll down to Security and Privacy on the sidebar, open this menu, and then we're gonna have to add a device unlock method. Now, before we can use a fingerprint lock, we're gonna need to add a screen lock. So let's choose a screen lock, then select the preferable screen lock type. For example, I prefer this pattern type. So let's enter the pattern twice and tap confirm. And then let's go to fingerprint and face unlock, enter your pattern or password, then select fingerprint, tap done at the bottom, and then let's select register. And before we start enrolling a fingerprint, let's make sure that our side button or the power button is clean and smooth. So wipe it carefully with a piece of a microfiber cloth or just a dry towel. And right now we can start pressing it with our finger. Just tap start enroll at the bottom and then start placing your finger, the middle of your fingertip that you're going to be using to unlock your device, right on this button. And then once you feel the slight vibration, lift your button up and then now place it slightly differently. So use a slightly different position of your fingertip. And this way proceed until this icon is until this image is completed. Then use your fingertip edges to make sure that we enroll the fingerprint properly. And when you're ready, tap OK. And from now on, we are ready to use our fingerprint lock to fingerprint unlock method. So let's lock the screen of the device, and then let's press the fingerprint on the power button to unlock it. So you don't even have to press the power button itself, just place your fingerprint on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.